COOH. Okay, then the simplest carbon can be simplest compound of that functional group can be by adding H. Okay, so if you are adding H, then it can have. Okay, got it. And if we are having, for example, uh, if we are having aldehyde, similarly double bond O, so this can be also the simplest aldehyde can be by adding H here. Okay, and similarly, if we are having ketone, then ketone is compulsory that you must have this and this carbon here, because if you add H here in case of ketone, then it will become aldehyde. Okay, so ketone is of 3 carbons. Okay, and we have also discussed in the previous class that there are some suffix. Okay, uh, for the functional group, some functional group have suffix for the 10 standard I am talking about, and some have prefix. For example, the suffix of carboxylic acid group is oic acid. The suffix of aldehyde is al. The suffix of ketone is on. The suffix of alcohol is all. The prefix of nitrogen is nitro. Sorry, NO2 is nitro. And that halogen is chlorobromo and iodine. So let's start studying the IUPAC name. Okay. IUPAC name, then we will learn the isomerization. That is important for, okay. So let's start studying. Vidwan, where were you in the previous class?
Then we was outside.
Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. So let's start. So what are the first rule? First rule is that select the longest carbon chain. Select the longest carbon chain. Okay. Which is simply in simple word, we can say that select the longest carbon chain that is going to have functional group as well as followed by double and triple bond. Okay. What I'm saying here is that when we are just writing the IUPAC name of a compound, then we need to select the longest carbon chain. Okay. For example, this is the carbon chain and like this. Okay, so we will select like this. Okay, because this is the longest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and followed by double bond and triple bond and including the functional group. And there should be functional group attached. Okay, for example, if the functional group is attached with this one, then the longest carbon chain will be this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't choose this one. Okay, we will not go through this. Got it? So the first rule is select the longest carbon chain, including the functional group followed by double bond and triple bond. Are you getting? If there is double bond here, then we will choose like this. Means if there is double bond and functional group, then we will choose the longest carbon chain, which is going to have both functional group as well as double bond and triple bond. Okay. So note the first step. Select the rule for IUPAC. Okay. Rules for IUPAC. So select the longest carbon chain, including functional group, followed by double and triple bond, Note it down. Are you writing? Done?
No, sir.
The next step is numbering should be done in such a way that the functional group should get the lowest possible number. Numbering should be done in such a way that the functional group should get the lowest possible number. Okay. So what I'm talking about, for example, if I have selected this longest carbon chain because it is the longest carbon chain. Okay. So we should do the numbering in such a way that the functional group should get the lowest possible number. So we'll do the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because if we do from here, then the functional group, which is the functional group, it is getting the lowest number, that is 1. And if I start doing from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will get 5. So it will be incorrect. So the functioning should be numbering should be done in such a way that the functional group should get the lowest possible number. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the third one is, if there is more than one prefix is there. Third is, if there is more is if there is more than one prefix is there, more than one prefix is there, then we write their name in alphabetical order. For example, if you have this carbon chain, you have this main functional group, okay, and you have chloro here, you have bromo here, and you have ethyl. Okay. Ethyl. Or we can have one carbon chain is methyl, and the 2 carbon chain is ethyl. Okay. So let's you have CH3 group. 1 carbon chain means CH3. 2 carbon chain C2H5. So this name, first of all, we have selected the longest carbon chain. So this is the longest carbon chain. And if we need to, numbering should be done in such a way that the functional group should get the lowest possible number. So this is the main functional group. The main functional groups are COH, CHO, ketone, and alcohol. So these are the main functional groups. So if any one of this is attached to a carbon chain, then it should be possible, means their number should be given, means the smallest number should be given to them. So we'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. If I do like this 1, 2, then this will get the last, which is not so. This hydroxide group should get the lowest possible number. Okay. Alcohol functional group should get the lowest possible number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will not write that 2 methyl for writing the prefix 2 methyl. Okay. And then 3 chloro. Okay. And then 4 bromo. On 4th position is bromo. So we will not write like the 2 methyl in Indian numerical value, increasing numerical order. No, we will write their name in alphabetical order. So we'll write first 4 bromo. Then after B we get C, so we'll get 3 chloro. Okay, and then we will have 2 methyl. Okay, we have methyl. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So their name, if we have more than one prefix, then their name should be written in alphabetical order. Got it? Next, if more than one same prefix is present there, last rule, have you noted this one? Have you noted? Nobody's answering.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so if I ask that if more than one same functional group is present, same functional group is present, then we use di, and we use di, tri, or tetra before their name. For example, if you have this one methyl group here, one methyl group here. Okay, methyl means one CH3 group and one CH3 group here. Okay, or one chloro here. Okay, Cl, and one chloro here, and one O alcohol group here. So this is the main functional group. So we will number it like this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have two chloro groups and two methyl group. So one is chloro, another is methyl. So first of all, we will write C because C come first, then methyl. Okay, but there are methyl at 2 position. So we'll write the position of first chloro. So chloro is present at 2,5. So when there are 2 position, we need to write 2,5. We'll not write 2 chloro and 5 chloro. We'll write 2,5, and then we use dichloro. Why we are using di? Because there are 2 chlorine group are there. Okay, 2,5 dichloro. Then we'll write, if there are 2 methyl group, then we'll write 3,4 dimethyl, and then we'll write further. Okay, or if it is only methyl, then you can write, if there is only one methyl, then you can write it like this way, and 4 methyl. Okay, don't write di. Then we'll write 2,5 dichloro, 4 methyl like this. Okay, got it?
Yes,
And
sir.
No, sir.
you don't understood, let it be. When we will write, when we'll practice 2 or 3, then we will get this one. Don't worry about it. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
So if we are having, the next one is, let's do this one. Okay, how we write the name? First of all, we write the prefix, then we will write root, then we will write saturation indicator, then finally we will write suffix. Okay, so what is root and saturation indicator? Let me explain you. For one carbon chain, we have written this one also in the previous class. For one carbon chain, we use meth, number of carbon, okay, and its root. For 2 carbon, we use eth. For 3 carbon, we use prop. If there is 3 carbon chain in the chain that you have selected, then you will use prop. In the 4, you will use, tell me. In the 4, you will use bute. In the 5, you will use pent. For 6, you use hex. For 7, you use hept.
Hept.
For 8, you use oct. Okay, and for 9, you use non. For 10, you use dec. And similarly, if one carbon chain is attached, then its name is for chain. For one carbon, we use methyl. But you will add IYL, bus meth YL only, bus 1, and we add methyl. For 2 carbon, we use ethyl. For 3 carbon, we use prop. For 4 carbon, we use propyl, YL. And for 4 carbon, we use butyl. Okay. It will not ask in the examination. Okay. So if there is 1 carbon, 2 carbon, or 3 carbon chain, Okay, you understood? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now practice 4 or 5, then you will learn how will do. Okay. For example, if you have to write the name of this one, okay, what's the name of this one? So first of all, you have selected the longest carbon chain, and this is the longest carbon chain. Got it? Now numbering
Yes.
should be done that the functional group should get the lowest possible number, and out of 4, this is hydroxyl group, functional group, main functional group. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then after numbering, we need to write the names. Okay. So here is one carbon chain. C means one carbon chain. I can write C here, or I can write CH3. It's your choice. Okay. So here one carbon chain name is methyl, and here it is chloro. So you know that if there is more than one prefix is present, because the chain carbon name and this chloro, the halogen name is written as prefix. And the names of the main functional group is written as suffix, like aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, alcohol. The name is written as suffix. Okay. So first we will have prefix, then we will have root, then saturation indicator, and then suffix. Okay. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So for saturation indicator, if there is single bond between carbon atom, everywhere, we use A and E. Okay. For double bond, we use E and E. And for triple bond, we use Y and E. If there is double bond, triple bond somewhere. So let's write the name of this one. So here the prefix is on the 2 position and the 3 position. So first in the alphabetical order, chloro will come. So we will write 3 chloro. There is always a dash between a mathematical or numerical value and an English alphabet. 3 chloro, you can write like 3 chloro. No, there should be a dash. Okay. So 3 chloro. Okay. Then we will have again a next number. On the 2 position, we have methyl. Then 2 methyl. Okay. Number, English alphabet, number, dash. Number, English alphabet, dash. Okay. So 3 chloro, 2 methyl. The prefix is over. There is no other functional group that whose name is written. So now we'll come to the root. So how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here, bute. Okay, there is single bond between each and every one carbon atom. So right here, A and En for the saturation indicator. And then we have suffix. Functional group is alcohol. So we write all. Functional group of alcohol is all. So in order to write all, we will remove the E from it, because 2 vowel cannot come. So if we have A and E, if it is the last word, there is no functional group here, then we will write butane, A and E. But if we need to add suffix, which is going to have vowel, the first letter is O, this is vowel, and this is also vowel. So we'll remove one vowel. So we will remove one vowel from it, and that is AN, and then all. So this is 3 chloro 2 methyl butanol. Okay.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Please note it down. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Let's move further. Write the name of this compound. Write the name of this compound. Try to write the name of this compound. Where to write? First of all, select the longest carbon chain. If there is no main functional group, then we will do the numbering as indicating that this branch is also a functional group. Okay. So we will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Because if we get here, from here, this will at the 2 position. But if we start 1, 2, 3, then this will be at the 3 position. So this will be rejected. Okay. Got it? Why are you
Yes,
not
sir.
answering? Please turn on your
Okay.
camera, everybody. It is just I'm teaching to myself. Tejasvi, Abir, Ammar, Jaslin, Shweb, Saima. Turn on your camera. Next one. Tell me. Next one. Whatever, sir. You have numbering done. Now tell me. This is also 2. This is also 2. So this is the same. One means one methyl group here and one methyl group here. So we will write 2. The first methyl group is at 2 position and second methyl is also at 2 position. Okay. So we will write 2, 2 dimethyl. Di, why di? Because this is 2. Methyl, why methyl? Because it's a single carbon chain. So this is prefix is done. Then root 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon is bute.
Bute.
Okay, there is single bond between every carbon atom. So
Butane.
butane. Okay. 2, 2 dimethyl butane. Understood?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write the name of this one. There is no prefix. Write the name of this one. How many carbon atoms? Select the longest carbon chain. This is the longest carbon chain.
2.
Okay. There is no branch here, no functional group other. Main functional group is here. So there is no prefix. When there is no chain, there is no chloro, bromo, iodo, there is no nitro. So there is no prefix. Okay. There is no functional group which is going to have prefix. So after the prefix is not here, then we have root. So for 2 carbons, what is the root? Tell me. Eth. Okay. And then is there carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond or single bond?
Single bond.
Single
Single
bond.
bond. So for single bond, we have
Ethane.
AN, not E, ethane, but we will replace this E because we need suffix also. Okay. Because there is a functional group which has suffix. Suffix for
All will
alcohol.
we'll put all.
All. The name is ethanol. Okay, that's why ethanol is not you just see ethanol. So it does not mean ethanol is name of this one. It is an IUPAC name. It has been written according to this one. This is indicating 2 carbon. This is indicating single bond between carbon atom, and all is indicating functional group. Okay, alcohol functional group. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write the name of this one. Write the name of this one.
Ethine.
8th 2 carbon and then triple bond YNE. Okay, it's ethine. Okay, then write the name of this one.
Ethanoic acid.
Not ethanoic acid. Functional group carbon is also counted.
Propanoic acid.
Tejasvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Why are you not answering? I wish that you are going to score very good marks, and why are you not answering? How many carbon atoms are there in the main chain? There is no functional group with prefix. So select the longest carbon chain, including the functional group. The functional group carbon is also included. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is prop for 3 carbon. and then single bond A and E between carbon-carbon atoms. And then we will remove E. Why? Because we have to add oic acid. So this is propanoic acid. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the name of this one. Write the name of this one.
Propine. Propine then.
Propine.
Yes.
This is ketone functional group. And why any always comes when there is a double bond or triple bond between two carbon-carbon atoms. Just double bond between carbon and oxygen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Kabir, tell me the name of this one. Abir, sorry. Abir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So what's the name?
Sir, propone.
This is prop. There is no functional group.
Propane.
Prop,
Propane.
Propanone.
then ane, then on. Propanone. Because why? Because it is going to have. Okay, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Because this is the main carbon chain. For prop, there is single bond between carbon-carbon atom ane and on for this functional group. Ketone. Ketone suffix is on. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's start studying the isomerization. 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 So what is isomerization? If a carbon compound, if there are two or more carbon compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula, this phenomena is called isomerization, and those structures are called isomers. Okay. So let's have, what's the definition? When two or more carbon compounds, the compounds of hydrocarbon having same molecular formula but different structural formula. But different structural formula is called isomer, and the phenomena is called isomerization. Got it? The compounds of hydrocarbons having same molecular formula but different structural formula is called isomers. Yeah, are called isomers. And the phenomena is called isomerization. Okay, got it? So if we have this, for example, if we have a formula like we have C4, C5H10, C5H12. Okay, are you getting? C5H12. So the structure of C5H12 can be like this. Okay, like 5 carbons attached. This is C3 hydrogen will be attached to this one. 2 will be attached to this one. 2 will be attached to this one. 2 will be attached to this one. And 3 will be attached to this one. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Are you getting
sir.
a point? And the other can be like this. CS3, CS3, CH3, CH2, and CH. Because this carbon has made 3 bonds, so only one H will be here. Okay, this is also C5H12. Another. This is also C5H12. So they are going to, all of them are going to have the same molecular formula, but different structures. Structural formula are there. Okay, with different structures are there. Okay, so these are all 3 isomers of pentane. Okay, C5H10, the basic is pentane, but these are all their isomers. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to write the name of these isomers of pentane. Isomers of pentane. Please write the UPSC name of this one. What is this? This is only normal pentane. Pentane only. This is only pentane. There is no prefix, there is no suffix, there is only root and single bond, pentane. Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have written something here. Where is gone? Okay, I need to make it again. CH3, just like this. CH3, CH2.
CH,
Okay, CH only. CH and then CH3.
CH3.
Okay, then tell me, write the name of this one. Write the IUPAC name of this one. Write the IUPAC name. This is very simple. Write the IUPAC name of this one.
Sir, is it 2-methyl butane?
Yes, it is 2-methyl butane. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 longest carbon chain, and at the 2 we have only one single carbon chain. So this is 2-methyl butane. Okay. 2-methyl is prefix, and then but is for 4 carbon and single bond for ane. Okay. Write down the name of this one. Write down the name of this one. Select the longest carbon chain as this.
Sir, is it 2,2-dimethyl propane?
Yes. It is 2, 2. Then it is di, then methyl. Why di? Because this is 2. 1, 2, 3. This is 2, 2 dimethyl. Prop means 3 carbon chain. Ane means single bond between carbon atoms. Understood? Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your voice, yes, means it means that you have not understood, right?
I
That's
will
why
practice.
you need to practice. Yes, you need to practice, because still I have started writing with left hand with this because I have practiced a lot, but this is just like that. I used to write on this writing pad. This is not visible to you. Okay, let me turn off the okay, this is like this. Okay, so if I'm having this writing pad, I write over this, so you can write it like this pen. Okay, but if I write it with I write with my right hand, so I write it like this way. But if I write like with my left hand, then it will be like butane, and I will take 2 days to write the whole page. Okay, this is like this. So I'm not able to write 2-methyl butane because I have not practiced. Okay, the practice plays a very important role. Okay, I have practiced with this one, so I just instantly answer. But your condition is just like I'm having my condition with if I write something with the left hand. So when you practice this one, you will be familiar. No need to do extra practice. You will practice here. Okay, so don't worry about it. Next is if I'm having two. Okay, so let's check. If we have, we need to make the isomers of propane. So is it possible to make the isomers of propane? 3 carbon chain? No, because if you have 2 carbon and then you separate it, 1 carbon, then you will place it at the termination and it is 3 carbon chain. So the isomers of propane is not possible. Okay, propane, no isomers. No isomers. Okay, got it. If I talk about this one, butane, if the isomers of butane is possible, yes. But when you remove 1 carbon from termination, you cannot add it at the termination like this way. You cannot add this because still it is a 4 carbon chain. Okay, so this is butane, this is the one isomers, and remove 1 carbon and then take the 3 carbon main chain and then place it one here. Okay, got it. So these are the isomers of butane. Isomers of butane. And how many are there? 2 isomers. There are the 2 isomers of butane. There are 2 isomers of butane. Okay, understood. Got it.
Yes.
And what's the name of this one? IUPAC name of this one. What is the IUPAC name of this one?
Butane.
Only butane. And this one? Two methyl propane. 1, 2, 3. 2 methyl. At the 2 position, we have methyl group, 1 carbon chain, and propane for 3 carbon. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Got it? Now talking about the isomers of pentane, we have also discussed this there. This is propane, pentane, sorry. So if it is like this, we have only, okay, we have one like this, and it is the IUPAC name, IUPAC, and its common name is N-pentane. This is common name. Okay. Now moving to the next one is, if we have this, let me first explain you this one more time. If we have 5 carbons, out of 5, we have just freed one from here. We just freed it. And if I put it here and here, it is not acceptable because we cannot put at the termination. The chances if I put it like this, and the next is if I put it like this, is these two are different?
No.
No, because the name of them, both of them should be same. Why? Because it is, if we have this one, we will have 2, 1, 2, 3. So that we will do the numbering from here, and it is 2-methyl butane. And if we have this C here, so we will start doing the number here, so that it get the lowest possible number. So it is still 2-methyl butane. Okay, so both of them are same. Got it? And this is same, and the name of this one, IUPAC name we have written, that is 2-methyl butane, IUPAC, 2-methyl butane. Methyl butane. Okay, but common name is isopentane. Isopentane is common name. This is common name. Okay, note it down. Common name may be also asked. So isopentane, you need to keep in mind that in IUPAC name, we take the main carbon chain name as this one. But in common name, we take the whole carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are having pentane here. Got it? Isopentane. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next one is this one, in which we are going to have 3 carbon as a main chain. 3 carbon and 2 carbons are free, so we cannot put them on the termination. So 1 carbon will be placed here, and if you place 1 carbon over other, the 2 carbon on the same, so again it is a 4 carbon main chain. Okay, so this will be 2 methyl, 1, 2, 2 methyl. This will become methyl group on the 2. So this will not be acceptable. Only we will have this like this and this. Okay, so this will be 2 methyl, 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Okay, understood? 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Understood, buddy? Everyone? So, and its common name is what's common name? Its common name is neopropane or pentane. Tell me. Will it be neopentane or propane? So in common name we have in common name we have the whole. This will be pentane. Okay, this is neopentane. It is common name. Common name for this one. Okay, so note it down. Its IUPAC name is 2, 2, 2 dimethyl propane, but its common name is neopentane. So we have 1 normal pentane, isopentane, and neopentane, the 3 isomers. Note it down fast. Done. Now make the possible isomers of hexane. Hexane is C6H, 6 2 the 12 and 2 14. So make the possible isomers of hexane. Try to make it by your own, then I will help you. First is normal hexane. It can be normal hexane. Write the IUPAC name. Don't write the common name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first one. Draw this one. It is going to have 5. So I'm just going to make here. You need to find out how it is possible. Make it fast. Make it. No one is going to make.
Me making.
Okay. So take the 5 carbon chain now. Okay. And remove 1 from here. Okay. So out of 6. So you cannot place them at this position and this position. So either you can place here. If you place here or here, the same thing is happens. So if you place here, you will get 2 position. And if you placed instead of here, you placed here, it is also at 2 position. We will do counting from here. So this is same. Got it? If it is like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is same. It is 2-methyl. What should be the name of this one? Tell me. What should be the name of this one? B, tell me the name. Why are you not telling me the name? It's very easy. What's the name of this one?
2-butane.
2-methyl
butane.
pentane.
2-methyl pentane.
Come on.
Khan. Why? Because it is methyl. At 2 position it is methyl. And why pentane? Because it is of 5 carbon main chain. Now another one we can have the same, but we can change the position. From 2 we get 3. Okay. So if we have, this is 2-methyl pentane, this is 3-methyl pentane. Okay, now in the next one, we freed 2. We freed 2 carbons. So 2 carbons you cannot use as the terminations. So next one is we have only 4 in the main chain, and the 2 carbons are free. Place 1 here and 1 here. Okay. So what should be the name of this one? 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, complete the name. 2, 3, what? With one, you need to tell me the answer of this. 2, 3. With one.
Yes.
2, 3.
2, 3. Try.
Die.
Die.
This is 2, na? So 2, 3
Yes.
means 2 methyl groups are there. So we'll use 2, 3 die. What die?
Dimethyl.
Yes, dimethyl. And then and 4 carbon chain named is
butane.
yes, butane. Okay.
Yay. Yes.
Now we have placed this at this position. Okay. Now we can place any one of that at this position. Both on this position. Okay, this will be 2, 2 dimethyl butane. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Others are not possible. Means if you are going to have, for example, if you place both of them here, so it is still 2, 2, because we will number from here. Okay, please draw this one. Draw all these. Groups. Done? Done. So if we have another one, like for example, if we free 3 carbon like this and 3 remaining, so if you place like this 3 on single one, because you cannot place on the termination, here is not possible. So again it will become the previous one, 1 2 3 4 5. This is 2 methyl. Now this will act as a methyl group, 2 methyl pentane that we have done. Okay, if you place any 2 here in the chain and 1 here like this way, okay, then it is still 4, and this 2 and 2 will become as a methyl group. So 2, 2 dimethyl butane. So others are not possible. Okay, so